Welcome Northeast Missouri Angling. Today I'm out on Mark Twain with my friend Kenny Wilkinson from Wilkey's Guide Service. We're out here chasing down some of these crappies, so stick around to see how we do. There's an eater. I caught one before Kenny. I'm about to fall out of the boat.
Nice little black.
Oh, he come out there and smoked it. Smoked it. That fish was 6 inches deep. Fish wasn't a foot down.
Yeah, they're shallow.
You know, I don't remember them being this shallow last couple of years.
Dennis,
I got one. I got him.
we're good. I'm glad you did.
We're the best of you, I guarantee it. Oh, down there. Yeah. Oh, hit him on the nose. He's coming for it.
That Tommy.
Got him.
That time.
There you go.
Good fish.
Trying to pull him off of before I set the hook. Very good one. Doubled up.
Double today.
Doubled up today, finally. Got him. One of them.
Nice fish.
Real nice fish. About time. Start that before I had all I was doing. Oh, he's in the bottom of the boat.
I had to put a hand on my choke, folks.
Good one. Good one right here.
Okay, there you go, fish.
You better count.
Huh?
You better count. I bet you're getting close.
Think so?
Oh yeah. There you got him.
Well, you know in there, that is what he's looking.
I was coming in behind you. If he didn't get to you, I was hoping to get me.
Attaboy. Attaboy.
That wasn't a bigger two though that was out there first.
Come on, throw him in. Don't care. Come on, throw him in. Don't care. There you go.
There's a good one. Finally. Finally. Good one.
Another good one. Got the deep on too, yeah.
He's a little small, I think.
Small.
About 12 and a half.
Probably put me on that. He has in his mouth for just a second.
Uh-huh.
He has in his mouth for just a second.
Did he?
Yeah.
Good one. Got him? There we go. Cool. There it is. There's my two big ones today. They're all about this size, what we got, 2 limits. Out here fishing today, my friend Kenny Wilkinson at Wilkey's Guide Service. I tell you, if you want to catch these fish, give him a call. He'll get you on them for sure. Give Kenny a call. What's your number, Kenny?
573-822-8680.
There you go. Like I said, if you want a good crappie guide out here at the lake, this is the one I recommend. A friend of mine, he called me up this morning and said, hey, let's go catch some fish. I said, but there's going to be a 20-mile-an-hour wind. He said, we'll get them. There it is right there. There's the proof. As always, thanks for watching.